Plaza. Look, guys, look at this lovely chicken pasta meal. It's done from just using four ingredients. Yes, you heard it right. We're using pasta, milk, mixed vegetable, chicken breast. So let's go closer. That's our pasta. We're using twist pasta. You can use any of your choice. You can add a little pinch of those. Chicken breast, your mixed veggies, and your milk. So yes, we only need those four. The best way to go, instead of frying your chicken, guys, you can bake it. So avoid a whole heap of oil and so on. Bake your chicken. Then after it's baked, you can add your sauce. Like, look at that. Very, very delicious. Now it's time to do our pasta. Pour in our milk. Most people, guys, would pour in the pasta first. I do it the next way around. I pour in the milk, then the mixed veggies, and then I stir up everything, then add butter and stir slowly and allow the butter to melt before adding the pasta. Look how colorful this look. I don't know if it's me only, but this is looking real pretty to me. Yes, now it's time to stir those. Yes, you can add a little bit spice like your black pepper and your thyme, guys, and whatever type of herbs or spices you like to use, but we're focusing on just using the four main ingredients and a little other stuff. Then you pour in your pasta, guys, and you spread it out so everything cook evenly and at one time, evenly distributed in the entire pot. After you have done such, you stir and so forth because you're using coconut milk only. Natural coconut milk there is no water, and so it may stick. Or should I say, tend to stick as it get creamier as it boils. As you can see happening here, you have to just stir it, guys, and make sure your mixed veggies get on top and not at the bottom, so nothing will stick in the bottom of the pot. Well, I'm using a non-stick pot anyways, but still for precautionary measures, yeah. So guys, all you need to do is monitor it and turn it so nothing each and it doesn't get too soft, as I stated before, other than how you want it. And yeah, apart from that, you check back every 2 minutes to see what's taking place. And here we go, the finishing. It's ready, as you can see, and it's very creamy as well. At this point, most persons would add their mozzarella cheese, mayonnaise, a few more herbs and spices, you name it, and even their chicken, and mix it in. Well, I'm not about to do that. It's creamy enough for me. I might add a few stuff, but not too much. So yeah, this is it. So let's get back to our chicken. We need to slice such up. So here's our chicken breast, real sliced. Yes, the bone chicken breast that is. So there's no bone in it. And it is looking incredible. Just look. So tasty. You can have it right now. Yes, I did have one before anything had finished, because look at it. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? This is just looking so amazing, guys. So as I stated before, you don't have to fry to get your brown color chicken or to have your chicken real tasty. You just need your seasonings and your spices to get it on, and you use your oven. Way more healthier. Look at it. It's not too dry and it's not too moist, but at the right, yeah, the right way, we want it. And yeah, that is it. So let's check it out on our plating now. Look at this. Who wouldn't? Just four simple ingredients and you have yourself a 5-star pasta meal right here. Look at it. Just look at it. You have veggies, you have your chicken, you have your pasta. What else do you need? Other than a drink of water or your type of juice of your preference, and you're good to go. But look at this. So amazing. A proper meal just using 4 ingredients. So guys, this is proof you do not need more than 4 ingredients and you can make yourself a nice pasta meal. So if you have those 4, your chicken breast, your pasta, your milk, and your mixed veggies, go ahead and make yourself a wonderful meal. Look at this. I could sit and watch the food all day instead of eating. So let's check out our breast. You see, it's not too dry and it's not too moist. Look at that. And you can see our seasons well soaked in. Yeah. Who wouldn't want a meal like this? This is looking so tasty. Just by using 4 ingredients, guys. All you need is 4 simple ingredients and you can have this meal. Well, I guess this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a nice time. Until then.